It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at Boathouse Asian Eatery at Palace Station in Las Vegas, and I'm here for All You Can Eat Sushi. Okay, so this is anything I want from here. It's all included for $17.95, but there's some rules I see there,
yes, there
right?
is rules. So you do have to finish everything you order.
Okay.
And the time is an hour and a half to order and finish everything. And then rice is included in the sushi, so the rice has to be finished as well.
Have to finish the rice.
Yes, anything that's left over, like excess amount, we do have to charge you a la carte price.
Oh, okay, so I better eat everything, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
So that's why we recommend ordering a little bit at a time.
Okay,
and we do
great.
have happy hour too that you're able to order from. It's not part of the all-you-can-eat price, but it is an option because we do have some pretty cool appetizers here as well.
So these appetizers not included in the all-you-can-eat, but if I want them, I can order them at half price right now.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay. But basically, I can keep eating anything on this menu, right, until I'm stuffed.
Until you explode.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, well, there is a lot to choose from on this menu. So much that I want to order. I don't know where to begin, but I think I do know where to begin, because I think the smart way to begin would be to start with the most expensive items. So it looks to me like the most expensive roll on here is the Dragon Roll for $14.95 or the Wet and Wild for $14.95. Everything else, these fancy rolls, they're in the $12.95 range. And then there's traditional hand rolls, nigiri, sushi, and desserts and sides. I believe these are included as well. So one thing I noticed on this menu is some things have a mark that says one limit per person. Limit one per person. And that's for, I think on here it's for this Dragon Roll and the Unagi Nigiri. So I'm going to start with that. And here is the Dragon Roll. It's shrimp tempura, crab, barbecue eel, cucumber, masago, avocado, and unagi sauce.
Crunchy. Shrimp tempura, sweet from the unagi sauce, creamy, avocado and crab. A lot going on in this Dragon Roll.
And here is the sake kawa hand roll. It says hand roll on the menu, but this just seems like a roll. Well, either way, it should have grilled salmon skin, cucumber, shiso, kaiware sprouts, onion, and ponzu. Does it have all that in here? Guess there's only one way to find out.
It's crunchy. That is salmon skin. It's very good. It's real crunchy. Real, like, grilled flavor. It's good. Who needs a hand roll? Oh, great, thank you. And look, unagi.
That's eel. And it's got a sweet sauce on it and a little belt of seaweed to hold it together.
This is so much good food. I'm already getting full, but it's all you can eat, so I gotta get more.
So there's also the California Crunch. Got the crazy monkey. No, we got the Dragon Roll. Did we get the crazy monkey? I don't think I did get the crazy monkey. It has a star next to it. Not sure. Oh, it's favorites. This looks like a favorite too. Japanese lasagna. Maybe if you're Italian. Futomaki, that looks fun. It looks big. The Mexican roll has a jalapeno sauce. There's a Philadelphia roll with cream cheese and smoked salmon. And lots more nigiri. Ebi, hotate, hamachi, hirame, inari, maguro, saba. And the list goes on. Alright, I got the crazy monkey roll. The main reason I got this is it's got grilled pineapple. And I've never seen a sushi roll with pineapple in it, let alone grilled pineapple. I guess that's why it's a crazy monkey. It's also got a coconut shrimp inside, so a little different than the shrimp tempura, I imagine. And the grilled pineapple, spicy crab, avocado, and a creamy, spicy aioli. It does taste like coconut. Not enough pineapple. That's pretty crazy. So the way I look at it, with this crazy monkey roll, it's $12.95. I got the dragon roll for $14.95. I'm already in for $28 worth of food, and it's only $17.95. But I also got the sake kawa roll, unagi, the freshwater eel, and I'm gonna get dessert. The perfect finish to a Japanese meal, green tea ice cream. Oh, that is good. That's it's a very subtle green tea flavor, but I like it. It's a big scoop too. Now, I don't think there's any denying that this all-you-can-eat sushi deal is an incredible deal. I mean, for $17.95, you can order as soon as you order just 2 of the specialty rolls. I mean, you're already in for more than $17.95, and from there, it's just whatever else you want to eat. The sushi here, it's made fresh. It's not like a buffet where the sushi's kind of been sitting there for who knows how long. Here, it's all made to order. This sushi is made just for you. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Boathouse Asian Eatery at Palace Station. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat. And it's all you can Vegas.